Mrazek and Pussycat 2. We're going to let him gain some altitude here as he gets ready to do his beautiful ballet in the sky. John Mrazek, along with his Harvard Mark IV, he does name Pussycat 2, has dazzled crowds all over Western Canada and the United States. The aircraft John flies is the Harvard, designed in 1939 by North American Aviation. The Harvard was the world's most successful military trainer, used by more than 40 countries worldwide. Over 20,000 of these aircraft were built by Canadian and American manufacturers. Only a precious few remain today. Harvard was used during World War II, the Korean and Vietnam Wars, and is an aeronautical classic that trained many of today's airline captains. And we'll listen and watch as he rolls the airplane in. Please welcome John Mrazek and his Harvard he calls Pussycat 2. Ending off the Cuban 8, he goes vertical. Up, to the hammerhead skull turn. A signature sound from the Harvard. It's actually the propeller tips going supersonic. Those are mini sonic booms you're hearing. Watch what it does next. The super slow roll. Comes up to the inverted, 3 to knife edge, and back up the 4-point hesitation roll.